Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use dual screen camera preview on Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we want to open up the camera app with our phone fully unfolded. So as you guys can see, it is folded right now. So what are we going to do is, let me quickly close the camera app. We're just going to grab it and unfold it. Now we're going to open up the camera app, and as you guys can see, here we have it. So let me just place it. And now once we are in the photo, here we have this icon right here. We're going to use it as a cover screen preview. And as you guys can see, if I rotate the phone, I should be able to see the preview. So I do see it. And that's basically how you guys can take good pictures. So that's how you guys can enable it. Now you can take pictures with it. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.